Welcome back, everybody. So today is replacing the filters in the truck day. Uh, I use K&N. I always have in all of my vehicles, so that's what I'm putting in this. Putting in a K&N engine filter and then the cabin filter. I'll put the links to the ones that I'm using in this and in the description below. Also, disclaimer: I am not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by K&N or by Ram Trucks. I just love this truck and I like K&N filters. So let's get into it. So for the engine, the filter box is held in by 6 screws, Phillips or flat. So, and you can see this is a pretty beefy filter. And just living in Virginia, this is all the stuff that gets caught in there, leaves and insects and whatnot. Here comes the wife and her hot rod. So I'm just gonna vacuum all that stuff out of there, just so it's a nice clean air filter box. And you can see the great, just jumped bugs all over my arm, but you can see the size comparison of the new filter and the old filter. Well, not a requirement. I've always put these on too, just in case. Even though a mechanic would recognize that it's not a standard air filter, I've always put this on. For those of you who've never seen the inside of a Hellcat, let's get you a better picture. This is the Hellcat, the Durango Hellcat. So the wife's getting a little upgrade too. She's getting a K&N and hers as well. So, and we'll put the links for the K&Ns for the Hellcat in the description below as well. So not much difference in thickness on this one compared to the Power Wagon. Okay, now that I got a handy cameraman with me, this is gonna be awesome. So, so how you get in here to replace the cabin filter is there's a little chain or holder to prevent your glove box from going all the way down. You just pull it down and then it pops out. And then you squeeze the sides of your glove box together, maybe, and it comes all the way out. And this is all that holds in your glove box. And then, can you get up underneath here? So this is what holds your cabin filter. There's a tab right here. Just pull on that, and then that's your cabin filter. And there we go. Cabin filter just slides right out like that. Nice and easy. So for the K&N cabin filter, so this is the factory one or the OEM one. It says install with this side visible. The K&N has this little notch or groove with the K&N marking and made in the USA. That's going to be facing outward as you slide this into the slot. Maybe. it's a tight fit to get in there, but once it starts sliding in, it's just because the edges of this are rubber, it grips on the plastic edges, so it's snug to get it in at first. All right, and then everything is just in reverse to put it all back together. All right, and then again, I put the stickers on everything. Most mechanics will know that these aren't factory, but just the plate right in front, right below the air filter. There you go, and then everything else back in reverse. That's it. All right, so Power Wagon, same thing. It has a very similar or the exact same as the Hellcat. You just push it down and then it pops out. And then you squeeze the sides of the glove box together, sort of. And then the glove box just totally comes out. So I don't know if you can get in here. So over here, right here is a little tab. You push the tab and pull, and then rotate the cover totally off, and then the filter just slides out. Nasty. So, and then here's the K&N. So same thing. This says airflow, and this needs to be facing out. The other side is blank. So same thing with the K&N. K&N needs to be the right way so that you can read it, and K&N is out. The backside has nothing on it. I can't see. So, and then this is the tabs that you got to push down. Just a little catch on each side. That's it. And then again, the K&N sticker. There's a spot right below the filter. Hook the bottom of the glove box in. Make sure you got your tether. Glove box should just pop up. There it goes. Slide the tether in. That's it. That's all she wrote. All done. Nice and easy. So, questions, comments? I know a few of you are Power Wagon fans and Hellcat fans, and I really appreciate the comments. We really do. We are not sponsored or affiliated by K&N or by Ram, or even by our local Dodge, Ram, Chrysler, whatever dealership. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Nice picture of your nose.
Thanks.
You're gonna have to edit that out.
Well, I couldn't see. Don't fill up my nose again, please.